Welcome to Highway Havens, your ultimate stop for luxury motorhome tours, in-depth car reviews, and road trip inspiration. From high-tech RVs to the latest automotive launches, we bring the open road to your screen every week. Imagine this. You're cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway. The sun is melting into the ocean, painting gold across the sky. And the sound of the waves follows you as you glide effortlessly down the open road. But this isn't just any road trip. You're not behind the wheel of a regular motorhome. You're driving a Bugatti, a six-wheel, $6 million masterpiece that combines the heart of a hypercar with the soul of a luxury penthouse. Welcome to the 2026 Bugatti 6x6 Motorhome, the world's most extravagant RV ever imagined. It's bold, it's wild, and it's unlike anything that has ever touched the road before. Today, we're taking you inside this hyper-luxury monster on wheels, exploring every inch of its design, its performance, its interior, and all the madness that makes it the ultimate symbol of automotive luxury. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will completely redefine what the word luxury means. The first thing that hits you is its sheer presence. At nearly 33 feet long and standing tall on a 6x6 chassis, the Bugatti motorhome looks like something straight out of a futuristic movie. It's a mix of power and elegance, raw performance fused with exquisite French design. The entire body is sculpted from lightweight carbon titanium composite, the same material used in Bugatti's legendary hypercars like the Chiron and Divo. Up front, the signature Bugatti horseshoe grille makes an instant statement, flanked by slim, adaptive LED headlights inspired by the Chiron's light pattern. Along the sides, aerodynamic fins guide air through the body to keep it stable even at high speeds. Because yes, this isn't your typical slow-moving motorhome. It's built to move like a predator on the road. The 6 custom 24-inch wheels are pure art, featuring carbon fiber spokes and self-leveling Bugatti emblems that stay upright no matter how fast you're going. Each wheel is powered by an advanced triple-axle all-wheel drive system that adjusts torque individually for perfect control on every surface. And at the rear, you'll notice a full-length LED light bar and an active rear wing that rises automatically at speed, just like a supercar. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling piece of Bugatti sculpture. Step inside and you'll realize why this vehicle costs $6 million. The moment those doors glide open, you're greeted by a world of handcrafted perfection. Every surface is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber. The color scheme, called Kirin Champagne, is a bespoke blend created exclusively for this model. The layout is wide open, designed for seamless flow between zones. Up front, the cockpit feels like a private jet. 2 ergonomic pilot seats finished in perforated leather swivel 180 degrees when parked, instantly turning the front space into a social lounge. The dashboard is fully digital, with an intelligent command system that responds to your voice and gestures. Everything inside feels alive. Adaptive lighting that matches your mood, climate zones that adjust individually, and a panoramic smart glass roof that changes tint with a touch. Move to the middle of the cabin and you're in what can only be described as a luxury yacht on wheels. Soft Italian sofas line the lounge area, while ambient lighting flows gently along the ceiling edges, creating a calming glow at night. The dining table is a motorized carbon glass surface that rises smoothly from the floor when needed and disappears when not in use. Even the walls are technological marvels, embedded with hidden OLED panels that can display landscapes, movies, or real-time camera views from outside the vehicle. It's not just luxury, and it's immersive living. Walk a little further back and you'll reach the master suite, a bedroom that feels like it belongs in a 5-star hotel. At its center sits a king-size floating bed wrapped in Alcantara leather, framed by Bugatti's signature C-line lighting design. There's a voice-activated control system that lets you adjust lighting, music, and even the cabin fragrance. Yes, there's a built-in aromatherapy module that diffuses Bugatti's exclusive scent called Bleu Royale. To the side, there's a compact walk-in wardrobe with automatic lighting and hidden compartments for luggage. The bathroom? It's pure indulgence. There's a rainfall shower with gold accents, a designer stone vanity, and smart glass walls that switch from clear to opaque at a voice command. Everything in this space whispers exclusivity, and when it's time to rest, one simple phrase transforms the cabin completely. Hey Bugatti, set night mode. The lights dim, The temperature adjusts and a soft blue ambient glow fills the room, making you feel like you're sleeping inside a piece of moving art. But let's not forget, this is still a Bugatti, which means performance matters. Underneath the sculpted carbon titanium body lies a quad-turbocharged hybrid V12 engine producing an astonishing 1,200 horsepower and 1,500 Newton-meters of torque. Yes, you heard that right. A motorhome with more power than most supercars on the planet. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a fully adaptive air suspension system that keeps the ride smooth, stable, and whisper quiet. 0 to 60 miles per hour, just under 5.5 seconds. That makes it the fastest motorhome concept ever built. But what's even more impressive is how quiet and composed it feels. Thanks to advanced active noise cancellation and acoustic cabin design, you barely feel a vibration, just pure gliding motion. The Bugatti 6x6 offers 3 distinct driving modes: cruise mode for long highway drives, adventure mode for rough terrains, and hyper mode for when you want to unleash its full power and feel every bit of that Bugatti DNA. And of course, it's packed with futuristic tech. A built-in AI assistant manages the environment, adjusting lighting, temperature, and route suggestions on its own. The infotainment system supports 5G satellite connectivity, biometric access, and even deployable drones for 360-degree surveillance and filming. It's powered by a plug-in hybrid system that combines the monstrous V12 with twin electric motors, allowing for silent electric cruising in cities and efficient long-distance travel. Solar panels integrated into the roof keep the interior systems running independently, making it partly self-sustaining for off-grid adventures. And here's one of the coolest features. With a single button, a self-deploying luxury deck extends from the side of the vehicle. It unfolds into an outdoor lounge area with modular seating, mood lighting, and even a mini champagne bar. Imagine parking by the beach, pressing a button, and watching your private terrace emerge from your Bugatti motorhome. That's next-level luxury. So what makes this Bugatti 6x6 motorhome truly unique compared to others like the Volkner Mobile or the Element Palazzo Superior? The answer lies in Bugatti's DNA, emotion, craftsmanship, and legacy. While others chase functionality, Bugatti builds art. This isn't mass production. It's a collector's dream, a fusion of performance engineering and lifestyle design. Only 10 units are rumored to be produced globally, each handcrafted to the owner's exact specifications under Bugatti's exclusive Sur Mesure program. Every detail, from materials to interior layout, is tailored for the ultra-elite few who don't just travel, they arrive. Now let me ask you, if money wasn't an issue, would you take the wheel of this $6 million Bugatti motorhome? Would you choose to live and travel in one of the rarest luxury machines ever created? Or would you rather spend that on a hypercar and a mansion instead? Comment below and tell me what your choice would be. I'd love to hear it. The 2026 Bugatti 6x6 motorhome isn't just a concept. It's a fantasy brought to life. It's a bold statement that luxury has no limits and that adventure can exist in absolute comfort. It's designed for dreamers, travelers, and collectors. For those who don't just go places but arrive in ways that make the world stop and stare. Because luxury isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey itself. And with the Bugatti 6x6, that journey becomes something truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more incredible automotive innovations coming your way every single week. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep driving bold, and who knows, maybe your next home on wheels will wear the Bugatti badge.